Welcome! In this video, we are going to show you the process of booting your device into EUB mode without hardware test point. To begin, connect the phone to Chimera in modem, ADB, or download mode, and then click on Change to EUB mode. This procedure will switch the phone first to download mode and then to EUB mode. For the soft brick to work, make sure your phone can be flashed in download mode. If the current firmware version of your phone is compatible, it will boot into EUB mode instantly. If it is not compatible yet, you must run a firmware update procedure and then flash it with stock firmware that has the same or higher bit version. This firmware can be the same as the one on your phone. Following this, you have to wait 30 minutes and then retry the procedure. Once complete, you won't have to do this for the same model and firmware version again. As we can see, the procedure has finished successfully, and the phone is in EUB mode. Here, you will see every available procedure for this mode. To be able to boot into normal mode, you need to run a boot repair procedure using the automatic firmware detection tab by pressing the start button. As we can see, the boot repair procedure has finished successfully, and the phone is in normal mode. Thank you.